Hey team, let's welcome to part 6. We are looking at AZ400 designing and implementing Microsoft DevOps solution. This channel is totally dedicated to help you clear cloud certifications, Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud, and Google Cloud. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is your opportunity to get onboarded to the cloud journey. So this question talks about there is a company, they are hosting their web application in Azure. Okay, so probably they have a website and they want to put it on Azure. So this is your Azure platform and they want to put their website here and they want to make use of Azure pipelines for managing the build and release of the application. So when we talk about pipelines, this is what it looks like. You know, you can build, test, and deploy to any platform and cloud. Okay, so what happens next? So what happens is there it's a performance degradation. Then you come up configuring Azure Monitor alerts, which will help you detect and address issues. Now, since the degradation happened, now the people in the company are saying, hey, buddy, test your performance before you put it in production. Do that in your stage environment. Don't just push your code which is not performant to production environments. So you got to build some sort of gate, a quality gate kind of check to ensure that if performance baseline requirements are not met, then the deployment to production does not get through. So I'll just summarize the question. You have been using Azure for your web application. There are performance degradation happening in the production, and because of which people have told boss build some kind of a quality gate when you move your code from staging to prod so that prod does not face performance issues. So you have to give a solution to build that kind of a quality gate. So you got approvals and checks. I mean the branch control check here. This is primarily to ensure that the right parties have approved the deployment. Okay, it is not to serve as a quality gate alone from a performance standpoint. That is why it will not work. B says that, hey, make use of alert triggers. Triggers, these are different trigger types. Triggers will only let you know that a code has been pushed or if a pipeline has to be triggered at a particular time as a scheduled one. And the approval check, again, it is similar. We are not just checking the approvals, we want a quality gate. So gates allow automatic collection of health signals. That is one. Use cases similar to ours, if there are, say, infra health issues, you can execute monitoring and validate the infrastructure against compliance rules. This is helpful. So you should make use of a gate. A gate is the right answer. You need to consider the underlying segment and tell whether it is accurate. So to deploy an application to number of virtual machines, so you have like these virtual machines, so more than one, and you want to deploy the application here, here, and here. So they say that you can do that by creating a universal group. So it is an active directory features. You can bring you can create a forest and bring objects in a in a centralized place. They can be from different domains. So that's why no adjustment required cannot be done. So this universal group is wrong. And security is also wrong because it will not help you with putting a lot of putting the same application on a lot of VMs. You got to create, you want to use deployment because that is what you're trying to do. You want to deploy an application to number of AZs, a number of VMs. Here you are planning, this is the next question. You are planning to deploy resource group via Terraform. What is Terraform? It is infrastructure as a code. You write a piece of code, run it, and your VM would be created, your database would be created, subnets would be added, so on. Everything from a piece of code can be done. So question is saying which framework you should install in this case. So you should do a Yeoman framework. It helps you generate project structures and boilerplate codes. That is one. And Terra Test. This is a testing framework. You want to test your framework, you use this. It is a Go testing. Remember, Go testing framework. And you, what do you test? What do you test? You test uh, configurations. Okay, configurations. This is I mean, you have not yet subscribed, do so. It will help you with Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud certifications. I hope you understood the concept. The previous parts are in the members area, Cloud Kernel or Cloud Ninja members. So you can go to the channel main page and click join, or click on any video, and below you can see a join button. Pay a small premium and become a Cloud Kernel or a Cloud Ninja member. You will gain access to a lot of questions.